Many agents hear the word infrastructure and assume it's technical or expensive, but the truth is it starts with small, connected steps. You don't need to code or hire a tech team, you just need the right tools and a strategy that links them together. Artificial intelligence infrastructure can start with your CRM, your marketing platform, and your communication system. Once they're synced, you create automation flows and data tracking that start learning from your activity. That's when your business begins to operate intelligently, not manually. The hardest part isn't the setup, it's the mindset shift. You need to think of yourself not just as an agent, but as a business owner building an intelligent system. Once you see how simple it is to connect everything, you'll realize that AI isn't replacing agents, it's empowering the ones who adapt.